Hi, today I am going to show real practical use cases of ChatGPT. I will test it live for emails, coding, summaries, and content ideas so you can see where it is actually useful. Here is the prompt 1. Write a professional leave request email for 2 days sick leave. So for this I am going to open Chrome browser, going to ChatGPT. So here ask anything. So I'm going to use the prompt, copy the prompt. I'm pasting here. So we got the results now. So here we got a professional version. So we can use by replacing it our manager's name, date you want, and your name. So here is the prompt to summarize this into 5 bullet points. So this is text summary. So for this I have to go google.com. So type something like union budget. So scroll down. So we have this web page. So I am copying the entire web page and paste here. Okay. So from this entire thing, so we need to extract some basic information into bullet points. For that purpose we need to give this prompt. So I am giving this here, summarize this into 5 bullet points. So it's processing. So now we have 5 bullet points from a large range of text website. So students and busy professionals can use this. Here comes the next prompt for Swift coding help. Swift means is the language used for developing iOS applications. So the prompt is useful for developers. So write a Swift function to check if a string is palindrome. So I'm copy this prompt. So I'm pasting here. It gives the starter code. So here couple of clean Swift code. So we can copy and we can apply that in our IDE. So as a developer, this helps generate quick starter code. So here is the next prompt. Give 15 YouTube ideas for kids channel. So copying this prompt. So here we receive 15 YouTube ideas for our channel. Channel link is kids channel. So content creators can make use of this. We can create a script for this. Create scripts for kids. So now we receive scripts for our YouTube channel like video title, host, and color. So these are the ideas it will create. So content creators make use of this. For the grammar fix, so correct this sentence professionally. I didn't attend because network issue. So copying this prompt. So now it is polished, professional version is ready. I was unable to attend due to network issues. I could not attend because of a network connectivity issue. I was unable to join as I experienced network issues. So these are useful for messages and client communications in our day-to-day life. Prompt is write resume bullet points for a senior iOS developer. So we need to write for our resume bullet points. Copying this prompt, paste this prompt. So we got the bullet points for our resume. So we can directly make use of this in our resume, whatever applicable. Or we can give like a Java developer, or we can give add skills, something like that. Add skills for Java, Kotlin, and database. So we got our technical skills polished version. So here these are the stacks used in the programming languages. So these are the important points. We can directly copy this and create our resume.
Thank you for watching. I will be sharing regular updates on AI tools and use cases.